What's going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire, and welcome to another video every day in February. So far I've been able to keep up this charade, and yeah, this is a good day though, a very good day. Last night around 8:30 p.m. I got an email from Poshmark.com and they accepted my my address, my Canadian address. So I have my tax exemption forms filled out properly this time for Poshmark.com. So I'm tax exempt from the website, which just means I have to pay taxes here in Canada. But that's what was going on. Like, they were holding all of my labels. I wasn't able to ship anything. And this has been going on for, I'm going to say, probably nine days now, because every time you submit something, it takes 2 days to get a response from Poshmark. That's really the only problem I have here. I think the issue with the forms was me, the way that I filled them out. I was filling them out on a mobile device and something wasn't right. And as soon as I submitted them on my MacBook or PC, everything went through fine. There was no issue. But every time you submit, or anytime you ever have to have any sort of contact with Poshmark, it's about 2 business days. That's right, business days. So if it falls on a weekend, you can just forget about it. 2 days for someone to get a hold of you. I think that's kind of like crazy, honestly. But anyway, so this is just order pulling. This is me catching up on the Poshmark orders. It is just the Poshmark orders. So here we go. All right, the first one we got going out is a Poshmark.com. I'm pretty sure all these are going to be Poshmark actually, as we're just trying to clear out the backlog of Poshmark orders that didn't get shipped out. So this is the Nike Bauer jersey. Can't remember what this sold for. Pretty decent though. Yeah, we'll go take a quick peek here. Yeah, so this one sold for $65 US. Not too bad at all. So this one's going out to Portland, Oregon, United States Postal Service, buyer pays shipping. All right, next we're going to the clothing to bin. So this is a 511 tactical t-shirt. Probably paid up a little bit for this, maybe $5 or $6. Yeah, I think this is this one right here. It's got the red, white, and blue. Okay, so this thing sold for $19. Everything in today's video is going to be on Poshmark.com once again, so this is all in USD, so $19 USD. So once again, buyer pays shipping, United States Postal Service priority, and this one is going to Maryland. Next, we're going back to the clothing to bin. We were just there, but sold a Jeff Gordon t-shirt. I think this one's 2010, I think. See if we can find it here. Fonts. Yeah, that's got to be it. I don't think I have more than one Jeff Gordon t-shirt. I'll just double check the back here to make sure. Yeah, it's definitely this one here. Okay, they sold for $18 USD. All right, once again, buyer pays shipping, United States Postal Service, and this one's going to Savannah, Georgia. All right, this next one, I think, was picked up at the Goodwill bins. I think it's on the end here. Might have to take a few things off just to get it off of here. Yeah, it's caught. There we go. All right, so it's this Herschel bag. It's kind of pink with that clear look to it. So again, pick this up at the Goodwill bins. I wasn't really sure what it was going to sell for, but it wound up selling for $22 US. Let's get this one shipped out. Got this one packaged in the padded flat rate envelope, United States Postal Service priority mail. This one is going to Washington. All right, another one from Poshmark.com, and it will be in the LPS. And this is an odd item for me to sell. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, here it is, right on top. So this is a woman's bra toward. Doesn't really matter what size it is. I guess it's 38H, which is obviously in the listing. So it's brand new with tags, but it has a little bit of a, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's a little bit like a box cutter mark or something right there, but it is a brand new toward bra. And I think I got, I'll throw it up on screen, but I think I got something like $18 USD for this. Not sure if this is the best way to ship an item like this, but it's in a clear poly bag and then into this flat rate envelope. United States priority mail, and this one is going to Maine. All right, so another good one here. I just seen these earlier today. These are super nice. These are Adidas Golf, and they sold for $55 US on Poshmark. Grab a box here. We'll get these guys shipped out. All right, got these shipped out in a box here. These ones are going to New Hampshire. I wouldn't think it's nice enough to play golf there yet, but these are definitely a nice pair of golf shoes. All right, we sold a pair of women's jeans, and they're supposed to be in the women's jeans bin. So let's see if we can find them. So these did not sell for much at all. I think, let's find them here. I think they sold for $15 USD. Had these ones for a while too. I think I picked them up because wide, like flare jeans were kind of popular for a while. Yeah, I think they're the absolute bottom here. So I've had these for a while. Yeah, 515 jeans. Yeah, like I said, $15 USD. Not a lot of money, but still, we'll get these ones out the door. All right, these guys came from the Goodwill bins. These jeans are going United States Postal Service priority mail all the way to North Carolina, NC. I think that's right, North Carolina. All right, so we have American Eagle button fly women's jeans. I think these might be, they're not listed in a bin, but I feel like they might be in this one. This is women's jean 2, women's jeans 2. So let's see if we can find them. Yeah, so they're these ones here. The button fly gives it away, should be size 4. Okay, these sold for $14 US. Once again, not much money is what I'm trying to say, but still happy to see these ones go for $14 USD. Decided to use the flat rate envelope in this one again, and this one's going to Maine, United States priority mail. All right, we sold an all black pair of Converse. These are very nice, and they sold for $34 USD. These ones are the canvas ones, but basically brand new condition, all black, very nice. Get these ones shipped out. All right, got these ones all boxed up, and they're going to New Jersey. All right, we've had this one for a while, and it's definitely, I think it's in this sweater bin. I thought this would sell a long time ago, and it just didn't. Oh, it's not on that one. Apparently, it should be in this one. It's probably down a little ways too. Let's see. Got a feeling it's on the very bottom. Oh, I can see him right there. It's Mickey. Yeah. So I thought this was really cool. It's a Mickey and Minnie. It's a Vans collab. It's got the firearms. I thought it would sell a long time ago, but it didn't. Could be because of the size. I think it is size small. No, it's size medium. But still, yeah, $22 US, not too bad. Like I said, it took a really long time to sell this one, but I think it's a cool sweater anyway. All right, this is it. We're all cut up, and this one is going to California. I'm very happy to get all these Poshmark orders out today. So I'm going to break down the numbers a little bit for you. I've got a cheat sheet. I've got all the US stuff added up, and I got the conversion to the side. So in Canadian dollars, now this is gross sales. It would have been $384.15. That's what I would have had to cancel. Now that's not the money I get. Like I said, there are fees on that. Buyers always pay shipping on Poshmark on both platforms. I would have to pay taxes on that as well. I will likely leave this in US funds anyway, but that's how much money we were dealing with here over the last 8 or 9 days. I could have canceled all those orders. I would have lost all that money. So now really the only thing that's kind of in limbo now is my, I am a Posh Ambassador 2 on Poshmark. I don't know if these late orders and late shipments are gonna like be a big enough ding that I get knocked down to either level 1 or maybe not ambassador at all. Do I think it makes a huge difference? No, but I definitely like having that on my profile. It looks better. You know, if it helps with sales, I definitely want it. I don't know if it does or doesn't, honestly, but I have it. I'd like to keep it. So that's kind of an issue. Other than that, I'm just really happy to have this over with. hopefully these all start tracking. I did talk to them at Stallion Express. You'll see me in the next clip. I'm going to go up there. So I've already talked to them. By the time you're watching this, things have already been shipped out, and hopefully everything is a-okay. I'm going to be happy to get this chapter of the story over. I'm just out front of Stallion Express right now. I have my regular Stallion stuff, which I've pushed a couple days just to, hopefully get the email from Poshmark giving me the okay to ship everything. So I got it last night. I got all the labels, and like I said, I got everything shipped out later, not late last night, but like 9 p.m., something like that. By the time I was done, it was closer to like 10:30. So it took me a while, because even after you get the labels and you get them shipped, you have to re-enter all the information into Stallion Express and then pay. It's about 70 to 90 cents per item to get the cross-border, so they'll take them across the border to United States Postal Service. The other thing, when I go in, I'm going to just tell them what happened. I've got a sheet here for him. I've got all of the Poshmark stuff separated. So hopefully he takes a look at those and will scan them right away for me. I have got some more final notices to ship this morning. Just had the one canceled order, but all in all, I'm so happy to have this done. Like I said, it's probably 99% my fault. I think I filled something out wrong the first couple times. Just the fact that it takes like 2 days for Poshmark to respond to you seems pretty crazy, honestly. Anyways, guys, if you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content, and we'll see you tomorrow.